we're going to take a look at shape slash box number 5 for the A minor pentatonic scale. If you've watched the other videos, hopefully you have. If you haven't, go back and take a quick look at it. We're keeping it very simple with this beginning piece of it. All we're doing, again, is just learning where the shapes are and how to play them. We will then start tying in anything theory related right now. We just want to get this under our belt, how to play these shapes and moving forward. Nothing more, so memorize them. If you haven't done so, we're going to go into shape number 5 right now. Now, if you followed from the beginning, you saw that we started here with our root, and we've moved up the neck all the way right now. The last position we did so far was starting on the 12th fret. Can we continue up the neck? Absolutely. However, we're going to bring this back around. We're going to start, instead of starting on the 15th fret, we're going to start on the 3rd fret for this next one, okay? And it's very, very simple. Again, 2 notes per string. 4 of the strings have the same shape, basically, the same positions. So we're going to go, again, and I'm using my index finger, or I should say my middle finger, to start this pattern out because it gets me into position for the other strings, which you'll see. So starting on the 6th string, we are going to go 3, 5. So again, I should say middle pinky. 3, 5. Same thing down on the 5th string. 3, 5. This is where we're going to have a bit of a stretch. We're going to go 2, 5, and 2, 5 on the 4th and the 3rd strings. We'll go back now to 3, 5, 3, 5. All right. Again, 3, 5, 3, 5, 2, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 3, 5. Obviously, it's a bit of a stretch here, but I think it's a good way to tie it together and do it all together. Now, if this doesn't work for you, you could obviously bring it way up here. It's a bit of a stretch for me. I think I was off there. We're going to go right here. There we go. So you can start on the 15th fret. Same note here on the 3rd, okay? Just add 12 or subtract 12 as far as the fret numbers, okay? So if we're on 3, bring it up to 15. And I tend to shift my fingers because the frets are closer together. So I will maybe start on my index finger here. And back up. We've just covered all 5 positions. Memorize those, practice those, and then when we're ready, we can start tying in together with more of the theory side of things and how this all works. See you soon.